Dear friends, today also we bring some important information, announcements and updates from Indian stock market. Here are 15 stocks including Procter and Gamble, Asian Paints, etc. Those have announced a split dividend or bonus. Along with, let us share some details of upcoming IPOs. Welcome to Stock Info Media. I am Nambudiri. Please like, share and subscribe. Bajaj Steel Industries Limited share is trading around rupees 2522. Company announced a board meeting on 3rd October 2024. Purpose of the board meeting is declaring dividend. Computer Age Management Limited CAMS current market price rupees 4455. Company announced a board meeting on 28th October 2024. Purpose of the board meeting is declaring dividend and announcing unaudited financial results. Procter and Gamble Hygiene and Healthcare Limited (PGHH) share is trading around rupees 16,413. Company announced a dividend of rupees 95 per share. Ex-date and record date yet to be announced by Procter and Gamble. Procter and Gamble Health Limited (PGHL) current market price rupees 5,527. Company announced a dividend of rupees 60 per share. Ex-date and record date yet to be announced. Infosys Limited share is trading around rupees 1,907. Company announced a board meeting on 17th October 2024. Purpose of the board meeting is declaring dividend and announcing unaudited financial results. Asian Paints Limited current market price rupees 3,311. Company announced a board meeting on 23rd October 2024. Purpose of the board meeting is declaring dividend and announcing financial results. Selvin Traders Limited current market price rupees 25.4. Company announced a stock split in the ratio 1:2 and announced a stock bonus in the ratio 1:8. Stock bonus 1:8 means if you have 80 shares of Selvin Traders, you will get 10 shares as bonus. Ex-date and record date yet to be announced. Abans Enterprises Limited share is trading around rupees 161. Company announced a stock split in the ratio 1:5. That means if you have 100 shares of Abans Enterprises, your 100 shares convert to 500 shares. Ex-date and record date yet to be announced. Jindal SAW Limited, Jindal SAW, current market price rupees 746. Company announced a stock split in the ratio 1:2. Ex-date and record date 9th October 2024. Motison Jewelers Limited, current market price rupees 309. Company announced a stock split in the ratio 1:10. Ex-date and record date is fixed as 9th November 2024. K&R Rail Engineering Limited, current market price rupees 420. Company announced a stock split in the ratio 1:10. That means if you have 100 shares of K&R Rail Engineering, your 100 shares convert to 1000 shares. Ex-date and record date yet to be announced. Upcoming IPOs. HVAX Technologies Limited, face value rupees 10 per share, price band 435 to 458, lot size 300 shares, IPO open date 27th September and closes on 1st October 2024, base of allotment 3rd October 2024. Initiation of funds 4th October and credit of shares to demat account on 4th October 2024. And finally, listing date is 7th October 2024. Promoter shareholding pre-issue 90.5% and promoter shareholding post-issue 66.65%. HVAX Technologies Limited, established in 2010, HVAX Technologies Limited provides turnkey engineering, procurement and execution of controlled environment and cleanroom infrastructure, design, engineering and consulting services to pharmaceutical and healthcare companies. The company supplies the following products manufactured by third parties: cleanroom wall panels, cleanroom ceiling panels, carving riser plants, cleanroom doors, flooring systems, pass boxes, air showers, etc. Fabricated galvanized iron ducts, air handling units, chillers, building management systems, equipment, etc. The company's customers include pharmaceutical companies, chemical companies, hospitals, healthcare companies, and FMCG companies. HVAX Technologies has completed around 200 projects in India and in 15 countries, namely Algeria, Ethiopia, UAE, Ghana, Kenya, Nepal, etc. This is the balance sheet of HVAX Technologies for the last 3 years. Saj Hotels Limited, face value rupees 10 per share, price rupees 65, lot size 2000 shares, IPO open date 27th September and IPO closes on 1st October 2024. Base of allotment 3rd October and initiation of funds on 4th October 2024. Credit of shares to demat account 4th October 2024. Listing date 7th October 2024. Promoter shareholding pre-issue 84.12 and promoter shareholding post-issue 61.94. Incorporated in February 1981, Saj Hotels Limited operates in the hospitality industry, offering a diverse range of services including traditional resort accommodations, villa rentals, and restaurants and bar properties. The company provides comprehensive services to ensure a memorable experience for our guests. The company offers a range of accommodation options across various destinations, each tailored to provide comfort and convenience. The company has invested 50% in My Own Rooms in Private Limited, expanding its reach and diversifying its hospitality portfolio. This is the balance sheet of Saj Hotels Limited for the last 3 years. Shubham Papers Limited, face value rupees 10 per share, price band 144 to 152 rupees, lot size 800 shares. IPO open date 30th September 2024 and IPO close on 3rd October 2024. Shubham Papers Limited, base of allotment 4th October and initiation of funds 7th October. Credit of shares to demat account on 7th October 2024. Listing date 8th October 2024. Promoter shareholding pre-issue 94.81 and promoter shareholding post-issue 69.67%. Incorporated in October 2006, Shubham Papers Limited is a manufacturer of craft paper and paper products. The company uses waste paper as a raw material. The company has the ability to manufacture and supply craft paper and duplex boards in various shades. Their products offer GSM ranging from 120 to 300, bursting factor of 16 to 35, and so on. The products are used in various industries such as automobiles, textiles, FMCG, food, distilleries, pharmaceuticals, electrical and electronics, and printing, where packaging is essential. This is the balance sheet of Shubham Papers Limited for the last 3 years. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe.